now we're going to test on, wow, I'm in love with this. Pure chrome, 100%. I can feel the metal, I can feel the material, I can feel, wow, look at the handle, pure wood, making the gun feel like an amazing, outstanding gun. So, look at the gun, wow, look at the quality, look at this, wow, outstanding material, and it's pure chrome. Look at the chamber, look at the sound, unbreakable. Again, the Kuzey, it goes through a 3 quality test from the factory. And safety again, that's what I love in Kuzey. They're taking care of the safety, which is making very, very powerful and strong, unbreakable. Generally safety locks there, I hate those. Generally it jams and all that. Look at the magazine again. Oh, stainless steel. Strong padding, thick and strong, unbreakable. Let's test this wonderful gun and see how it sounds. There you go. Are you ready? There you go. Wow! Love it, man. I love it. Amazing. Wow. Thank you.